Good morning, everyone. It's Gail with Traders Help Desk, and this is a trade on the Aussie dollar. It's a 15-minute chart, and you can see that I'm one strike price out. Now, the risk on that trade on entry was $20. You see that right there. But you also see that these dots are going up. In other words, it's making higher lows, okay? It's also making higher highs right here. So my expectation is that price will at least come back to $74.94. My strike price is at $74.90. It doesn't mean that it's guaranteed this is what price will do, but this is my expectation, okay? There is about 56 minutes left for price to move up. So I'm going to pause the screen and we'll see what happens. Also, you can see that this gray box indicates I have a profit target in, and that profit target is at $80. Now, I may change that depending on what I see happen, if it moves in my direction, if it's too close to the strike price, whatever. I'll update you as the trade progresses. As you can see, price is moving in my direction. And if you look at the stochastics, you have made a higher low and a lower low in the stochastics. That also indicated that it should move up. I knew that would come in at this reversal bar here. It made a low and then closed on the high. This is a 2-bar reversal pattern, and it's one that I use a lot. And as you can see, we have really about 2 pips for this to move above my strike price. And for those that don't know, I'm not plotting the half pip over here on the multi-charts chart. So that's the reason you see a different candlestick pattern between the Nadex chart and the multi-charts. I don't plot half pips over here. I only plot a whole pip. Okay, as you can see, it moved up towards my strike price, then it moved back down, and now it's above my strike price again. There's only 9 minutes until expiration. Again, I'm expecting it to test the $74.94 area, but I'm going to go ahead and open up the profit target, because if it doesn't fill the profit target, I'll just go ahead and exit. And as you can see, I'm now out of the trade. The order has been filled. So it was a nice trade. It gave a really great risk to reward ratio. And these are the ones that I look for, because like when this bar went against me, I only had $20 of risk. Now, I also know from my studies that I have done, and this information will actually be in my new book. In June, between 8 to 9 a.m., the Aussie dollar typically moves 10 pips. So I knew that I had enough room there to move. And I also knew that it should take out this high. You had hidden divergence here. All of this impacted this trade. So just another way to trade the binary options, using a risk to reward that favors your outcomes.